Oh, God, hurt a little bit.
That's perfect.
So in early 2011, NFC technology was introduced. It was mainly used for Android Pay and Apple Pay, but nobody ever really used it for anything better. So we, Home Solutions, decided to revolutionize the way this technology was used. We decided to integrate it with home automation devices such as smart lights, thermostats, you name it, to be able to control them with the push of a button.
Our first product, the One Buttons, can be configured by the user to control different lights or thermostats or door locks or a number of other smart home devices. And these actions can be set to the buttons using our intuitive phone application. The user will also have the option to chain different events. So for example, you're on your way home from work and you're walking up to your front door. Instead of digging for your keys or searching for the light switch in the dark, you can just click a button on the back of your phone and the door will unlock, the lights will turn on, it'll adjust the thermostat for you, and you can do all this with just the click of a button.
We created our product One with the user in mind. We wanted to provide our users with a product that allows them to operate it effectively, efficiently, as well as be satisfied in the overall process. So we used a lot of different principles from human-computer interactions, such as the different colors and how they apply to the user's emotions, as well as the layouts, and trying to perceive what the user might do from one step to the next step. And this allowed us to create our design in such a fluid manner by using user stories and testing our design through the entire process. And during this entire process, we would test our design with the users and make slight changes and see how the user perceives these changes. And if they perceive them positively, we would continue them and tweak them a little bit more. And if they didn't, then we would see why and improve them from that point. And this allowed us to create, in turn, the best product possible.
Riding the popularity of our initial product, One, we plan to introduce our second product, the Integration Station, in fall 2018. The Integration Station allows you to control all of your smart devices from a single location. Now, what does the Integration Station mean for Home Solutions? It means continued growth in sales and brand recognition. It means we remain relevant in the smart device market space, and it reinforces our commitment to making life more convenient.
Over the past few years, the market for home automation products has increased rapidly, and according to Gartner, it is about to reach its peak. The market for home automation devices is predicted to increase from $19 billion in 2014 all the way up to $39 billion by 2019. Our target market for our products contains the individuals between the ages of 16 years old and 36 years old with an above average household income for a little bit more disposable income. We plan to target individuals in metropolitan areas such as New York City, Los Angeles, and San Francisco. We found from our research that these areas have a lot more technologically inclined users living in them. Our advertising plans for these products are based heavily around social media. First of all, we plan to give samples of the products to different YouTube video bloggers or vloggers and allow them to use the products in a more natural setting so that their audiences can see how the products can be used on a day-to-day basis. We also plan to establish a very strong social media presence on websites like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Our initial revenue will be from the sale of our buttons, One. A portion of the revenue generated by the sales of the buttons will be reinvested to develop our second product, the Integration Station. We believe that the Integration Station will be the product that differentiates Home Solution, expands our revenue, and will lead the way in smart device control.
The main product that Home Solutions will be selling is a simple set of NFC tag buttons that you can see here affixed to the back of a phone. All they use is a simple sticker-based backing so they can stick to any conventional smartphone. And we use these to control lights, potentially door locks, thermostats, and any other number of smart home devices. Because why should you have to look through your phone, find an app, and then go looking through it to find the setting that you want to adjust when you can do it with the push of a button?